Hey guys, it's Chris Hudson from Hudson Lighting. Today, or over the next few days, I'm going to be working on a new type of light fitting. Sorry, I'm trying to like unwrap it. It's just here. This is the top. I'm calling it the mushroom light. Basically, we're trying to work on this dark skies lighting. Here we go, here's the top. And the idea is we want to push all our lighting downwards. So what the plan is we're going to have a fitting that pushes its light upwards into the inside of this, and then that will reflect downwards onto some planting. So you can imagine that on a long rod. So my first job is this needs to be anodized. Right, let's turn this anodize off and see how this has come out. So we'll just pop this out here. There we go. So what we expect is that it's lost a little bit of shine, and it's now gained a nice non-corrosive layer. There we go.
Hi guys, it's Joe here from Hudson Lighting, and today we're going to make some silicone moulds. First of all, you need the thing you're going to be moulding, which is today it's this. It's this thing here, and of course we've got this thing to sort of go get. It's been quite a messy job. I've been guilty of that a few times, but we moved past that. So first we need our wax spray. This will stop it from sticking. You just so it can peel off nice and easy, simple and quick. Put on a healthy amount, and now we begin stuff. Right, hello, right, we are in the container and now we are going to Right, sorry, the air just came on, shot me a little bit. Right, don't know why, because I hear it every day. But so now we're going to powder coat. We're just going to get the anodised one out of the oven. This has been through the anodising tank, which is there, which you wouldn't want to put your hand in because, well, it's acid. You don't really want to put your hand in acid. So there it is. I'm going to hook it up there and powder coat it. I'll probably do a time lapse or something. Just position it quickly. Okay, now for the finished result. So, there we go. That's what it looks like. Powder coated. All good, everything's in order. Present and correct.
I'm laughing right now because I've got probably every possible finish attached to this fitting just to test it this evening. we got black, the black insert rod, a green 400mm rod, then there's an raw aluminium ball joint, a stainless steel bottom, a raw anodized top, a piece of acrylic, and then a Corten dog bowl, as we're calling it in a minute, attached to that. Okay, not quite every finish, we're missing copper and brass there, but yeah, it's pretty well covered. But it's not really sitting in there properly, but I just want to balance it. I want to stick it in my own garden and just test and see kind of what the light output's like, just as is. Okay, so here we have the mushroom light outside, so you can kind of see that, and it illuminates really, really well against this planting. So obviously once we've sorted out the so I'm freezing. I'm in my boxes. Once we've sorted out the shade, it will produce even more light output, and then we can talk about maybe bringing that down to like 1 or 2 watt to achieve the same effect. The circle size at half a metre off the floor is about 1.4 metres in diameter, so it's a really, really good circle size.